Like every year, India Couture Week 2023 set the fashion forecast for the festive season coming up. Here's a roundup of the biggest trends. The magic of Indian Couture Week often sets the tone for the festive season. One of the biggest trends we saw on the ramp was the return of the Mermaid Skirts as seen on showstoppers Kiara Advani, Bhumi Petnekar, Subhita Dhulipala, Disha Patni and Ananya Pandey, often accompanied with a slit on the side. Even though showstoppers were absent from designer Tarun Tahiliani and JJ Valaya's shows, they did not lack drama with their majestic lehengas. While jewellery doubled up as blouses in Suneet Verma's show, Falguni Shane Peacock ditched the jewellery for men on their necks for their seheras on the turbans. Androgynous styles ruled the ramp. Structured blazers with lehengas and shararas fused classic with contemporary beautifully. The return of Ritu Kumar's couture show also meant the revival of archival zari that the designer is known for. Men's couture as seen on Ishan Khattar and Ranbir Kapoor proved that gender-fluid styles with skirt-like trousers and a tie shirt can go mainstream.